Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Kenji Motovlog. Today's bike feature is my Yamaha XSR 900. Share ko sa inyo ang aking review for having this bike for about 1 year. Demonstrate naman natin yung NRC taillight, stands for New Rage Cycles. Brakes. Signal light. Ayan, sakyan natin para makita nyo ano ang itsura nya pag sinakyan. Yan. Again, tiptoe. Pero magaan. Gaan lang siya. So these are the 5 things that I like on my XSR 900. Okay, number 5 is the brakes. So as you can see on one of my videos, sudden braking, emergency braking, napahinto niya naman yung bike nung biglang nag-U-turn yung isang truck on one of our rides. So yan, very good yung brakes niya, radial calipers with ABS. So number 4 is sporty handling. Maganda yung handling niya, para kang naka-sport bike. And sarap niyang gamitin pag nasa twisties like Marilake and long rides. Comfortable naman siya. Number 3 is the looks. So ang ganda naman talaga ng forma niya. It's a retro inspired bike. So marami kang pwedeng i-customize, like yung sa akin, nagpalit na ako ng Woodcraft clip-ons sa handlebar niya. So marami kang pwedeng ilagay sa kanya na accessories and parts pwede mong palitan. Number 2 is the engine sound. So yung engine niya is a 3-cylinder cross-plane. Meron siyang distinct sound na para siyang inline 4 na sumisipol, and at the same time medyo thumper pa rin siya dahil 3-cylinder. So number 1 is the power. So the engine has a power output of 115 horsepower and 65 pound-feet of torque. So ang ganda niya, very torquey. And at the same time, dumudulo rin siya. Maganda rin yung top speed niya. So here's the 3 things I hate about this bike. So bakit 3 lang? Dahil wala akong maiisip na 5. Di ako makabuo ng 5. Number 3 is the small fuel tank. So ramdam mo yan pagka ginagamit mo siya. So mas frequent ka magpapa-refuel. Pero matipid naman siya sa gas. Mga 18 km per liter yung average ko. Number 2 is the stiff rear suspension. So pag bigla ka nalubak, medyo masakit sa katawan. Matagtag siya. It's on the stiff side. Siguro kaya siya stiff dahil sporty. Para yung power niya makasabay yung suspension dun sa power saka sa torque. Mas maganda yung handling niya, kaya siya may sporty handling because of that stiff rear suspension. And number 1 is the seat. Yung seat niya, it's on the stiff side again. Sa front part niya, medyo wide. That's why mas nakatiptoe yung rider dahil mas nakabuka yung legs mo dahil mas wide yung sa connecting nung seat and the tank. Kaya sa mga shorter riders medyo mahihirapan dito sa XSR. So that's about it. My ownership review of my XSR 900. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.